Welcome to another customer testimonial brought to you by.
Hey everybody, this is Eric with Window Depot USA. I'm out here with Jason Skaggs, our customer. He agreed to give us a customer testimonial since we were done with the job, and hopefully he's happy. That's why he's doing the testimonial. So Jason, let me ask you this. How did the sales process go when Alex came out to give you guys a quote for your project?
Smooth and simple and right to the point, and got a great deal.
That's great. And so when the guys came out and they did the install, how did they treat you and your family and your property?
Like they lived here. So it was very nice. I even took a nap while they were working.
That's nice. And they clean everything up when they were done?
Constantly cleaning.
Nice. And so hearing all that, I just got to ask, would you refer us to your friends and family?
Most definitely.
Absolutely. Well, Jason, I want to thank you for your business. We really appreciate it at Window Depot. And peace out, everybody.